appearance. What a day.
Good morning, Mr. Sprinkel.
Good morning.
Regarding the call that was played between Mr. Kendrick's mom, Tasha, and himself. You recall listening to that just now, right?
Yes.
And Mr. Kendrick says, do you hear the language about the mixtape about to drop in that call?
Yes.
Did you investigate that mixtape about to drop?
If I did, I don't recall now.
Okay. And associated with that, do you recall if associated with that mixtape is an image of my client wearing a bandana?
I do not.
Okay. But there is a reference in that call where my client informs his mother to change that bandana away from a certain color. I think he says a red color, correct?
That's right. That's what was said.
And given that the state seems fixated on seeing burgundy as red and orange as red,
Sustained.
do you think it's reasonable for my client to want a bandana viewed as red to be changed to another color?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Did you know that in your investigation, did you find my client being signed to Young Stoner Life Records in 2015?
I believe so. Yeah, that sounds right.
Okay. And then again, that mixtape being associated with that.
Yes, I believe. I don't recall exactly, but that sounds right.
Okay. There's also a reference in there of my client's mom, Miss Tasha, speaking to, I think she said speaking to Thug about a lawyer, correct?
Yes.
Do you have, and I believe it was Mr. Bixson that represented my client at the time, do you have any evidence that anyone other than my client retained? It's not Miss, anyway, let's forget it, whoever the lawyer was. Okay, that's okay. Thank you for your help. The lawyer that was retained for my client at the time, do you have any evidence that anyone other than my client retained that lawyer?
I don't know who paid for the attorney or no, I don't have any evidence.
Okay. Would you find it unusual that somebody would ask a friend to recommend an attorney?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Redirect.
Yes, Your Honor.